also applies to younger people who get into early retirement. I think it's activities na hindi na magagawa ng mga nag-retire 16, 17, diba? Pero be smart about it. That's all. Parang don't stop doing, and you know, if you can, whatever you're passionate about, why not find something there that you can turn into a business or a money-making enterprise? If you like surfing, for example, why not invest in a surfing school or just a little resort or Airbnb that you can enjoy your life, you can be doing what you want, and at the same time, you know, still be earning to cover the expenses of your hobbies and your passions. I think that's just smart. Basta your basics are taken care of, then think about, you know, it's not just you, what about your loved ones? Diba? You want to also make them live there every now and then. You want to give your parents a great future, a great life when they retire, or your brothers and sisters. Not everyone's in the same boat. So, habang may energy ka, habang bata ka, keep working. But if you choose the early retirement option, that's fine too, as long as you keep moving. And don't stop there, kasi I don't like na your money that you have saved, hindi mo alam how much farther it could go, and then pag matanda ka na, you'll regret na, parang, I will outlive my money, patay. Parang if your money runs out before you pass away, what will you do? So just make sure there's something, then if you wanna leave something to the people you love, then at least meron ka kayo.
Michelle, pag-uusapan ng retirement at savings, malapit na po kayo magbalik time for savings.